Think back to a moment when you said, "I don't know why, but something just doesn't feel right." Maybe it was a person you didn't trust, an opportunity that felt off, or a decision you couldn't logically explain, yet your body reacted first. That mysterious reaction, the tightness in your stomach, the rush of unease, or the quiet sense of certainty, that's what we call a gut feeling. But here's the twist. Your gut feeling doesn't come from your gut. It comes from a secret intelligence inside your body, one that you've been using your whole life without even realizing it. The second brain inside you. Deep inside your abdomen, wrapped around your intestines, is something extraordinary, a massive network of neurons called the enteric nervous system. It contains over 100 million nerve cells, more than the spinal cord. Scientists call it your second brain, and it's constantly communicating with your real brain, much more than you think. This two-way connection is known as the gut-brain axis, a biological highway of chemicals, hormones, and electrical signals moving between your stomach and mind. So when you feel something in your gut, you're not imagining things. Your gut is literally thinking with you. Why emotions begin in the body. Before your conscious mind analyzes a situation, your body responds to it. Your heart rate changes, your stomach contracts, your muscles tense, your breathing shifts. These signals travel to your brain, and the brain interprets them as emotions. A knot in your stomach? Your body sensed danger before you understood it. A warm, open feeling? Your body recognized safety before you did. Your gut is like an emotional radar, detecting subtle patterns in tone, expression, energy, and environment long before you consciously notice them. Your gut remembers what you forget. Here's where it gets fascinating. Your gut is trained through experience. Every interaction, every mistake, every success, every danger you've ever encountered, your body stored some of that information. Your brain might forget details, but your nervous system doesn't. So when your gut suddenly warns you, it may be recognizing a pattern you can't articulate, a tone someone used, a behavior you've seen before, a situation similar to one that ended badly. Your gut is connecting dots silently before your mind catches up. The role of microbiome, your hidden emotional partner. Inside your gut live over 100 trillion bacteria, your microbiome. They help digest food, produce vitamins, and regulate immunity. But here's the twist, they also produce neurotransmitters. Serotonin, mood, dopamine, motivation, GABA, calmness. In fact, 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut. So when your stomach feels uneasy, it's not just digestion. Your emotional chemistry is literally being shaped from the inside out. This means your gut feelings aren't just psychological, they're biological. How gut feelings predict danger. Long before humans had technology or data, we survived using intuition. Your ancestors relied on subtle physical cues, sounds, shadows, posture, facial expressions to detect threats. That instinct still lives in you. So when your gut tightens around a person or situation, it may be reacting to microsignals, a forced smile, a shift in tone, a hesitation in body language. Your conscious mind misses these tiny signals, your gut does not. The logic behind intuition. People often think intuition is magical, but it's actually a clever shortcut. Your brain has two systems. System 1, fast, instinctive, automatic. System 2, slow, logical, analytical. Gut feelings come from System 1. They're fast because they're based on millions of stored memories. It's your brain recognizing patterns without wasting time on analysis. This is why experts, athletes, surgeons, pilots, musicians often make split-second decisions that look magical. Their gut is doing complex calculations instantly because they've trained their intuition through years of experience. When gut feelings go wrong. But intuition isn't perfect. It can misfire, especially when it's shaped by fear, trauma, or assumptions. A gut reaction might warn you about danger, or it might be old emotional wiring responding to something that no longer threatens you. Gut feelings are powerful, but they're not infallible. The key is knowing when to trust them and when to question them. How to strengthen your gut intelligence. You can actually train your intuition. Here's how. 1. Slow down. Your gut whispers, your fear screams. You need quiet to hear the right voice. 2. Notice body cues. Where do you feel tension? What expands? What contracts? 3. Review past decisions. When was your gut right? When was it wrong? Patterns will emerge. 4. Feed your microbiome. Probiotics, real food, sleep, they all improve your emotional clarity. 5. Combine logic plus intuition. Your gut shows the direction, your brain builds the path. The strongest decisions come from both. The final twist. What we call a gut feeling isn't just instinct, emotion, or superstition. It's the combined intelligence of your nervous system, your microbiome, your memories, your experiences, and millions of years of evolution working together in a silent conversation between your body and mind. Your gut is not guessing, it's remembering. Your intuition isn't magic, it's a message shaped by your past, filtered through your biology, and delivered to your awareness in the language of feeling. So the lesson is this: don't ignore your gut, interpret it. Listen when it warns you, trust it when it nudges you, and combine it with reason to guide your choices. Because sometimes your body knows the truth long before your mind understands it.